there YouTube, Arlene here again, and today I'm very excited to show you that along with my Starfire cosplay that I'll be doing for New York Comic Con, my best friend in the entire world, Bree, hey Bree, will be joining me on this wonderful adventure. And for her, she hasn't done any cosplay in the past, so when we decided to go together, I immediately jumped in and started getting her all ready. And as part of my Starfire, she will be my Raven. I'm so excited. That was her favorite character from Teen Titans when we were watching when we were little kids. So I'm so excited. I got her cape and her wig for her birthday and Christmas. They're around the same time. The cape I got from, I have a cape guy. I know, it's weird, but I do. His name is the Fairy Tailor. I see him at a lot of the Northeastern Renaissance fairs. I've always gone to him. They're phenomenal quality and they're just really awesome. And it came in the perfect shade of like this royal blue that I got her, which matched the Raven outfit perfectly. So she's all set with that. She just needed to buy her leotard and her boots, and then we decided to make her accessories. So here you will see me making the belt and brooch for Raven from Teen Titans. Enjoy!
So I was a bit too anxious to wait for James to set up the camera, so totally got a head start. Just to go over the materials that we used, we got some curtain grommets that easily snap together, and then we also got these copper bead tubes. I just got them from Etsy, but you can totally make them yourself by just buying some pipe and then cutting them the correct length. And then we used these red metallic discs that I also got from Etsy that perfectly fit in the grommets very nice and snugly. And then we also just used some fishing line just to thread everything together. It was flexible and it was very strong to just make sure that there wasn't any breakage when we actually go to the Comic-Con. And also had a jewelry chain and clasp for the end just to make it a little bit more adjustable. We had originally planned to attack the gems for inside of each of the grommets by using a resin casting similar to that we did for Starfire, except this one had a 1-to-1 formula with the resin and the catalyst. But turns out that there was a 3-day cure time, plus we would have had to make 8 different molds for each of the grommets for the belt as well as the brooch, and there just was not enough time to complete this for the Comic Con, especially because we would need to create those 8 and hope that they were each exactly the same. So we decided to take this route, and it actually came out better than I had ever expected. And I like the metallic sheen that the discs have. For now, those can be put to the side because we're all about the assembly of the belt at the moment. Essentially, I just use the fishing line to string everything together, alternating between curtain grommet and long bead. And to help kind of clasp that grommet over the fishing line that I'm putting in between them, I'm using the human's third hand, also known as the teeth. Just please be careful. Although this entire assembly is fairly simple and low risk, there was a point when I was using my teeth to bite down and close the grommet on the fishing line that it did snip the very tip of my tongue, and it was not comfortable. So as always, just always make sure that you are careful with every step that you take in creating this build. And just a quick side note for everyone, it looks like we are actually, talking and talking to the camera. Well, the whole reason why we are late in uploading this video is because there was issues with recording. There was absolutely zero audio. So please excuse all of the funny notions that kind of have nothing to do with what I'm talking about in this voiceover. I'm sure everything we said was interesting, but I do not know what the majority of what we said were. It was mainly just filler as we work through this very kind of tedious task. So we're just going to fast forward and get to the rest of the steps. After you finally finish the assembly of your belt, all you have to do is tie it off and make sure to attach the end of your clasp so you'll have the part that you actually can move and then the multiple rings that you can loop it through again so it'll be a little bit more adjustable so multiple people can wear it. And then the super easy part of placing the jeweled discs into the grommets. At this point, you're going to want to start getting your hot glue gun ready because we want to make sure that these discs will be secured inside each of the curtain grommets. And don't forget to set aside one grommet and disc separately, which will become our brooch later on. Now you are ready to flip over each gem, and you will use that hot glue gun to just put some glue on either side. Again, just for that extra secure fit. And then I found this nice pin backing that we're just going to fill to the brim with hot glue and then stick to the other side of the gem that will become our brooch.
And here we have the final product. It came out so good. I absolutely love it. It's a really easy, like I said in the video, a very simple clasp that I got from Joanne Fabrics, like you would do for any other jewelry. And it'll go around her hips ever so perfectly in the brooch. Just so you have the little clipping and just watch. And go right on her cloak where it connects together. And voila! I'm so happy about it. Brie, I love you so much. This has been a wonderful project for me to do, and I'm so happy I get to share this experience with you. So, you know the drill, all the YouTube stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much, and next time you see me, I'll be at New York Comic Con. Talk to you guys later. Bye!